What's up, guys? Jason Fan here, and today we got a present for a special day at the lab. Now let's grab our little present to see what it is. I know it's both. Oh, it's a dog. Let's see. I know how to name stuff in Pocket Edition, so let's name one. Graham. That's perfect. I have an idea. Graham. There. Okay, guys, we got our present. Our new dog. Now let's put our stuff away now, please, guys.
Well, you're grounded. Grounded? I grounded 2 kids today. Mary's going to be pretty impressed. Thor is bringing the thunder.
My sleepover may look more lifeless than that dead doll on the Goldsmith's driveway.
But